My name is Derek Kraus, and I'm from the Seattle area. My background is very diverse. I did almost 11 years in the military as a medic. After college, I got a bachelor's degree in political science that I couldn't really use, and I was just kind of tired of entry-level positions. And what separated Sabio, what stood out to me was they were very confident that you could get a job coming out of here if you did well. The best part about going to Sabio so far is just the absolute immersion. You're not spending too much time learning theory, you're coding and you're working on a real project, which I think is going to be very valuable going into the workforce. Because I hear a lot of students coming out of college, they struggle in the interview portion when they're asked, hey, what projects have you worked on, or what project are you most proud of? And they don't have any projects on their resume to talk about because everything is just theory that they learned. At the end of the cohort, I would like to get a job, preferably quickly. I'm really looking for a job where I'm working with a big team of people, where I can learn a lot from different people's experiences. And then something that's kind of middle of not quite a startup, but not a company that's so solid that there's nothing new to work on. I'm just eager to learn a lot more about what I'm doing, learn how things that I've already finished, how I can go back and do those more efficiently and better. Sabio is great. I wish it was more than 3 months.